Konnichiwa, Anjali desu. O genki de to nozomimasu. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. There's a little thing which I want to share with you all. My name is pronounced as Anjali, but Japanese speakers grow up considering R and L to be the variants of the same sound. Dakara, Anjarito Moshimasu, which is quite strange, I know. Ja, Hajimemashou. There are total 3 scripts, that is, 3 different ways of writing Japanese. The first one is Hiragana, which we will be learning today. The second one is Katakana, which is used for transcription of words from foreign languages. For example, television is pronounced as terebi and is written in katakana. The third one is kanji, which is used for writing nouns, adverbs, verbs, and adjectives. In total, there are 46 letters in hiragana, but by adding some radicals, the sound of them changes. The number of letters are 46, but the sounds are way more than that. The way in which we learned ABCD, in the same way, we will be learning the letters of hiragana with the help of examples. Akara, ame. Ame means rain. Ikara, ichi. Ichi means one. Ukara, uchi. Uchi means home. Ekara, enpitsu. Enpitsu means pencil. Okara, okane. Okane means money. Kara, Kazoku. Kazoku means family. Kara, Kire means beautiful. Kara, Kumo. Kumo means cloud. Kara, Ketai means mobile phone. Kara, konnichiwa. Konnichiwa means hello. Sa means sayonara. Sayonara means goodbye. Shiki means 4 seasons. Sushi. The Japanese dish. Sekai. Sekai means the world. Kara. So desu ka means is that so? Kara, tamago. Tamago means egg. Kara, chichi means father. Kara, tsunami. Kara, tenki. Tenki means weather. Kara, tomodachi. Tomodachi means friend. Kara, namae. Namae means name. Kara, nichi. Chichi means date. Nukara, Nusumu means stealing. Nekara, Nemui means sleepy. No Kara, Nomimas means to drink. We will continue the rest of the letters in next video, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit like. Also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to get the notification of next part of this video. Deva Matane.